Hi guys, if your sliding balcony door is not moving freely, the one that we have here, as you can see, when you try to open and close it, it barely moves. You have to put a lot of effort into it. You may even accidentally damage the handle when you try to open and close it, because the movement is restricted. Today we will show you how to fix it. Right here we have another door, and we have already finished working on it. And just to show you the difference, look at that. When you push it, it basically closes on its own. What we had to do is we had to remove this door and lubricate the rollers located on the bottom. And we will repeat this procedure on the other door that we just showed you. To remove this door, we'll have to first lift it up, then the bottom will come out this way, and then we'll be able to pull out the door from the top. But we'll use two people for this, because this door is very, very heavy. And right here we've got the roller assembly. It comes with the ball bearing, so this means that you will see small balls inside of this roller. And what can happen this time is first of all, the lubricant will disappear and the dirt will get inside, and it will restrict the proper movement of this ball. It does move right now, as you can see, but when you put all the weight of the door on it, it will affect its movement. We have a couple of bolts. This is the adjustment bolt right here. This one regulates the vertical position of the door, so you can adjust it. Normally it will be adjusted when you already have these doors installed. And on top we have another bolt. This is a mounting bolt. This one holds the assembly in place inside the door. And not only this one, but there is another small one in the middle right here. This one also holds the roller assembly in place, and that one, guys, actually gets installed from the inside of the door, which means if you want to completely replace this assembly, it won't be easy, because now you have to disassemble the whole door, remove the glass, etc. So the best solution in this case will be to put the lubricant inside this roller, and this will solve our problem. And of course we have another one, the same roller assembly on the other side of the door. This is slightly different because there is a rubber stopper right here. The adjustment bolt is hidden inside, opposed to the one on the other side. Other than that, this roller assembly is exactly the same. You can get these assemblies online. This is how it looks like. This is the manufacturer and the size of the roller, and we'll show you the diagram as well, in case if you need one for yourself. Our doors have a small opening on one side, which is closed with this plastic seal. This is used for the latch if you want to block the door, but at the same time this can be used to access one of the rollers on one side, and this means that you don't have to remove the door completely to lubricate one of the rollers. Unfortunately, it happens only on one side. On the other side, there is no such opening. And right now we'll actually make one on our doors. And again, in the future this will allow us to lubricate the rollers without removing the doors. We will use the drill to make the small hole next to the roller. Now we can insert the tube from the lubricant bottle inside, and as you can see, it basically gets exactly where it needs to be. Before we lubricate the rollers, we'll use the brake cleaner to clean the bolts inside the roller. And the same process for the other side. Now we will let it dry a little bit before we use the lubricant, but even now look at the difference, already it moves much further. We are going to use this type of the lubricant. This one does not attract dirt as much as some other options, but of course you can use any other lubricant that you have. And again we'll basically repeat the process. We will apply the lubricant inside the roller now on both sides. And the second one. And again we'll show you how to do it when you use the opening. When you don't remove the door, just put it through and then lubricate the roller this way. And this is a difference now. When you open the door, it will now actually move much freely than it used to be, guys. As you can see, it actually moves on its own after you push it, which is huge improvement after what we have seen in the beginning. That's it for our video today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.